Title: Recycle, a must-have companion for eco-conscious individuals. Introduction: Are you someone who values the environment and actively works towards preserving the cleanliness of our planet? Do you possess a genuine passion for upholding the stability of our ecosystem? If so, let me introduce you to Recycle, the ultimate companion for eco-conscious individuals like you. With its remarkable features and user-friendly design, Recycle is a must-have product that will revolutionize the way you contribute to a greener future. Unparalleled convenience, Recycle takes the hassle out of recycling by simplifying the entire process. Its intuitive interface allows you to effortlessly sort and categorize various recyclable materials, ensuring they end up in the right place. With Recycle, you can easily track your recycling progress, set reminders for collection days, and even find nearby recycling centers, all at the touch of a button. Say goodbye to the confusion and frustration of recycling, and embrace a more convenient and efficient approach. Empowering sustainability. By using Recycle, you become an active participant in the preservation of our planet. This innovative product empowers you to make a positive impact on the environment by providing you with valuable insights and information. From carbon footprint calculations to personalized tips on reducing waste, Recycle equips you with the knowledge and tools necessary to make sustainable choices. With Recycle, you can truly make a difference and inspire others to follow your lead. Engaging community, Recycle goes beyond being just a recycling app. It fosters a sense of community among like-minded individuals. Connect with fellow eco-warriors, share your achievements, and participate in challenges to further amplify your impact. The app's social features allow you to collaborate, exchange ideas, and inspire others on their sustainability journey.